So students, I'm back again. We were doing the chapters explanation. So let's continue with that. I am back now. So when Mrs. Hall directly went into the scientist instead of waiting for the constable, and she demanded that what have you been doing upstairs with my chair, and how can how can you appear in an empty room and you are coming out of a locked room. So because the scientist Mr. Griffin was very short tempered, he is always very short tempered, quick tempered means छोटी छोटी बातों को गुस्सा होना. And when she demanded, he became furious. Then he said, you people will not understand that who or what I am. मैं कौन हूँ और मैं क्या हूँ, मैं कितना बड़ा scientist हूँ. And now you have made me angry, so I will show you. Fine. He said, very well, I'll show you. Suddenly he threw off bandages. अचानक से उसने अपनी बैंडेजेस को फेंक दिया निकाल कर. विस्कर्स मूछें, स्पेक्टिकल चश्मे, इवन नोज और जो फॉल्स नोज थी वो भी उसने उतार कर फेंक दी. मतलब जो ओवरहेड अबव द शोल्डर विच ही कवर्ड द पोर्शन विद बैंडेजेस, फॉल्स नोज, विस्कर्स, स्पेक्टिकल्स, ही थ्रू ऑल ऑफ देम. उन्हें सब कुछ निकाल के फेंक दिया शोल्डर के ऊपर से. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, he is removing the bandages, false nose, everything. It took him only a minute to do this. उसे ये करने में सिर्फ एक ही मिनट लगा. The horrified people in the bar found themselves staring at a headless man. Horrified means when you are scared, afraid, horrified. Horrified means scared or afraid, भयभीत हो जाना. The horrified people in the bar में जो लोग बैठे हुए थे, they were horrified, डर गए वो ये सीन देखकर. What क्या सीन देखकर? Found themselves staring at a headless man, because they found themselves that they are staring at a man who doesn't have a head. Headless man को, बिना सर के आदमी को देखकर वो भयभीत हो गए. Mr. Jaffers, the constable, now arrived. The constable name is Mr. Jaffer. He arrived at that point of time. वो अब आ चुका था and was quite surprised to find that he had to arrest a man without a head. And normally whenever he was a constable, so till now whatever how many thieves he must have been arrested, he must have been arrested few thieves, so they all were a normal human being, but he was quite surprised to see that he had to arrest a man who doesn't have a head, जिसका सर ही नहीं है, उसको उसे गिरफ्तार करना है. But Jaffers was not easily prevented from doing his duty, but he was a man who was, जिसको आसानी से आप ड्यूटी को ना करने के लिए बाध्य नहीं कर सकते थे, उसको रोक नहीं सकते थे, वो अपनी ड्यूटी करेगा. Whether it is to arrest a normal human being or whether it is to arrest a man who doesn't have a head on his shoulder. If a magistrate's warrant ordered a person's arrest, then that person had to be arrested with or without his head. अगर मैजिस्ट्रेट ने जिलाधिकारी ने ऑर्डर दे दिया है, वारंट निकाल दिया किसी को अरेस्ट करने का, that is this man had to be arrested, so that man had to be arrested whether that person with head or without head. वो उसको ड्यूटी करनी है, चाहे उसे सर वाले नॉर्मल व्यक्ति को गिरफ्तार करना है या बिना सर वाले व्यक्ति को गिरफ्तार करना है. अगर मैजिस्ट्रेट का ऑर्डर है तो ही विल फॉलो. There followed a remarkable scene. Remarkable means quite noticeable scene, जिसको हम याद रखा जाता है. As the policeman tried to get hold, which is not a normal scene. Remarkable means जो अपनी छाप छोड़ता है, वहाँ पर एक ऐसा सीन क्रिएट हो गया. क्या सीन? As the policeman tried to get hold of a man who was becoming more and more invisible as he threw off one garment after another. So what was the scene created? Remarkable scene. The remarkable scene created over there was a policeman was trying to catch or trying to get hold, उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था एक ऐसे आदमी को who was becoming more and more invisible by throwing his clothes, जो अपने कपड़े उतार कर फेंकता जा रहा था और गायब होता जा रहा था. Finally a shirt flew into the air. अंत में, at last, in the last, a shirt flew into the air, and the constable found himself struggling with someone he could not see at all. And at last, when the shirt flew in the air, एक शर्ट हवा में उड़ी, and constable Mr. Jaffer, he found himself struggling, उसने अपने आप को संघर्ष करते हुए पाया. किस चीज़ के लिए संघर्ष करते हुए पाया? with someone he could not see at all. He was struggling to catch a person. When finally the shirt flew in the air, he found himself that he was struggling to catch a man whom he cannot see, who was invisible. जिसको वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं देख सकता है, उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हुए उसने खुद को पाया. कांस्टेबल ने खुद को पाया. Some people tried to help him. So there were people who was watching this thing, so they tried to help the constable, but found themselves hit by blows. Blows here means punch, mukke, that seemed to come from nowhere. So people were there, they thought let's help the constable, they tried to help him, but they found themselves receiving punches, blows, hit by blows. उनको भी मुक्के पड़ रहे थे. that seemed to come from nowhere, जो कहीं से भी आ रहे थे, किसी भी दिशा से आ रहे थे. because they also cannot see because they also cannot see the scientist who was invisible. In the end, Jaffers was knocked unconscious as he made a last attempt to hold on to the unseen scientist. So in the end, what happened in the end? Jaffers was knocked unconscious. उसको पंच मारा गया. लास्ट में एक और पंच पड़ा उसको और वो उससे बेहोश होकर गिर गया. As he made a last attempt, जब उसने लास्ट कोशिश की तो उसे एक पंच पड़ा जिससे वो बेहोश हो गया. When he was trying to hold on to the unseen scientist, invisible scientist, Mr. Griffin. There were nervous, excited cries of hold him. लोग डरे हुए थे और डरे सहमे से चिल्ला रहे थे that hold him, पकड़ो से. But this was easier said than done. कहना आसान था लेकिन करना बहुत मुश्किल था. करके दिखाना बहुत मुश्किल था. hold him, पकड़ो से. catch him. There was nervous, भयभीत से सहमे हुए से लोग चिल्ला तो जरूर रहे थे कि पकड़ो, बट ये कहना ही आसान था बट करना बहुत मुश्किल था because he was invisible. Griffin had shaken himself free. Griffin ने अपने आप को छुड़ा लिया था. And no one knew where to lay hands on him. When they were trying to catch him, there were punches. People were getting punches. Mr. Jaffer, the constable, was getting punches. And in the end, he got one punch and he became unconscious. And then people were, nervous shouting was there that hold him, but nobody knew that from where to hold him. And in that process, Mr. Griffin, the scientist, had shaken himself free. अपने आप को उसने छुड़ा लिया था. And no one knew, और किसी को भी ये अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि अब उसके ऊपर उसको पकड़े कैसे, कहाँ से पकड़ें. where to lay hands on him. अगर हम उसे पकड़ें तो कहाँ से पकड़ें, because वो आज़ाद हो चुका था मिस्टर जाफर को बेहोश करके. And he was again invisible, and he had shaken himself free, so nobody knew that from where to lay hands on him. कहाँ से, किस जगह से, किस दिशा में, कहाँ खड़ा है, वो किसी को पता नहीं था क्योंकि उसने अपने आप को छुड़ा लिया था. और कैसे पकड़े उसे, nobody had no clue. So students, we have completed the explanation of this chapter, and now we will discuss the read and find out questions and the textbook questions in the next class. It is enough for today. I want you all to read the chapter again from starting and go through the word meanings which I have told you, and use them in your daily lives. Try to speak in English at home, and the virus has not gone anywhere, so don't take it lightly. Please stay at home and stay safe. Thank you very much.